Now that winter is over, it's time to get ready for spring planting. Before beginning your outdoor tasks, you want to make sure your equipment is in working order. Prepare your planters by cleaning them to avoid any salt deposits or lingering diseases from last year's soil and plants. Rinse them with clean water. If necessary, use a stiff bristled brush and water to scrub at any pesky spots. Sharpen your shears before pruning. First, use steel wool to sand off any rust that may have formed over the winter. Once they're rust-free, safely sharpen the edges of the blades with a sharpener. Then you can go ahead and evenly coat the blades and any moving parts with a penetrating oil. Look over your hand tools such as shovels, rakes, trowels, and hoes to ensure they're in one piece and are able to be used during the upcoming season. Once your tools are good to go, it's time to clean up your yard and garden beds. First, take a look at any trellises, fencing, edging, or pathways to make sure they are in good shape. After fixing the hardscaping, get to work on cleaning out your garden beds, clearing them of any debris that may have found its way to your beds, like falling branches, matted down leaves, and old mulch. Weeds will be easier to pull in the spring when the ground is wet and the roots are shallow. Be sure to trim any hazardous branches, prune back summer flowering shrubs, and keep an eye out for sprout, which are thin shoots that sprout from tree branches or trunks and consume nutrients from the plant. Test your soil to be sure it is healthy and ready for spring planting. For more timely tips, subscribe today.